Bonjour everyone, I'm Lise from Let's Speak French. And tonight I just wanted to talk to you about les verbes au futur proche et passé récent. Futur proche means close future et passé récent means recent past. In French, like in English, we use the verb to go to say I'm going to do something when something will happen very soon or is sure to happen. For example, we use the verb aller, aller in French, to go, which means je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont. Not sure if you can see that. So, je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont. That's a verb to go in French. Je vais. Je vais means I'm going. I go or I'm going. So to make the future proche, normally we need the verb to go plus an infinitive to say I'm going to do, and you put a second verb will stay in this basic form. So what will happen? For example, futur proche. Je vais manger means I'm going to eat. Je vais acheter. I'm going to buy. Je vais acheter un cadeau. I'm going to buy a present. Je vais regarder. I'm going to watch. Je vais regarder la télé. I'm going to watch la télé ce soir, tonight. Je vais regarder la télé ce soir. I'm going to watch television tonight. La télé in French is often, like in English, we shorten the word to say la télévision, we say la télé. Je vais manger. I'm going to eat. And people often ask me, the futur proche, how close is the future? I can say, je vais manger tonight. Could be tonight, could be tomorrow. Often also to refer to things that we are sure it's going to happen. You can say, next week, je vais aller. I'm going to go au restaurant. Next week, I'm going to go to the restaurant. So normally with using je vais plus infinitive, it's referred to something that we are sure it will happen. Je vais lire. Lire is not there. Lire means to read. Je vais lire un livre. I'm going to read a book. Je vais boire un café. Demain, tomorrow, je vais boire un café au restaurant. That's our close future. And it's fairly commonly used in French when we talk about, there is another future called the futur simple that we do use a different ending for the verb, and it would be a different tense. But this one is called the futur proche, the close future that we use in French. So that's for the close future. We also have what we call the recent past, the passé récent, which is something that just happened. Like in English, often we say, I just called someone. I just arrived. I just ate something. In French, in English, we say, I just ate, and you put a past tense. In French, we use the verb venir, to come, following by de plus infinitive. So with the recent past, we will be using venir de plus infinitive. Je viens de manger. Je viens de manger, I just ate. Je viens de boire. I just drank. Je viens d'arriver. Last one. Je viens d'arriver. I just arrived. So we use je viens de. I know it's a verb to come, but following by if you just say je viens, it means I come. But if you say je viens de, means I just did something. Je viens d'acheter un cadeau. I just bought a present. Je viens de manger du pain. I just ate some bread. Je viens de téléphoner. I just phoned je viens de téléphoner ma mère. I just phoned my mother. Je viens de partir. Oh, il vient de partir. He just left. So often used in French as much as it's used in English. It's just done something. But we use the verb venir de. Venir de, which is in French, just venir by itself, it's to come. So just to recap there, when we talk about the close future, we use the verb aller. Aller, to go. We say je vais. And I would say je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont. And you might have noticed when I say nous allons, the S linked with the A, and it sounds more like a Z. The same thing with vous. Vous allez. And we link because we have two sounds together, we make the liaison between the S and the A following. Vous allez. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont. And when we talk about the close future, we put je vais plus a verb in infinitive, meaning the verb is in its basic form. So we say, like, if I want to say je vais acheter, acheter means to buy. So we will have acheter, and the ending will be in ER, A-C-H-E-T-E-R. Je vais acheter. So that's why we use close future. Close future, and we add the recent past. Hopefully this is clear if you understand a bit better about close future and recent past, because we all use it all the time. In French, you always say, I'm going to do something. Ce soir, je vais dormir. I'm going to sleep. Demain, je vais nager. Tomorrow, I'm going to swim, which I might do. If I can wake up early enough, I will go. Je vais nager. Because here it's quite warm. So demain, je vais nager dans la piscine, which means tomorrow I'm going to swim in the swimming pool. So this is, and I could say to you as well, something I just did before, je viens de manger. I just ate. Ou je viens de, I could say je viens de dîner. I just add dinner. And we can say je viens de manger, je viens de boire. And the only thing we haven't done, which we'll do in the lesson, is something that you are in the middle of doing, which I don't want to go too much into that, but it's je suis en train de, which is I'm in the middle of doing, and we talk about it in a different one, which, for example, I would say je suis en train de boire du thé, which we'll do next time. I can give you more example of these ones. So hopefully this is helpful for you. Let me know also if you have other questions and other things that you, or the verb, we can do more example like that. Hopefully that helps you learn French and understand a bit better all these little rules in French that, which is, there's thousands, lots of them. But anyway, so it's helping you anyway a little bit. Okay, I will say goodbye, au revoir, and I'll be back again, and probably tomorrow actually, demain. Au revoir, à bientôt.